Hello, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we'll dive into how to use Todoist's Today view for task prioritization. First things first, open the Todoist app on your device or computer. Your tasks for the current day will be displayed in the Today view by default. This view is essential as it helps you keep track of what needs to be done right away. Now that we've done that, look at the top of the screen. You'll see a plus Add Task button. Click on that to add a task. The reason we do this is to populate your Today view with tasks that need to be done. After you've added a task, it's time to prioritize. Click on the task you've just created, then click on the priority flag icon. You can choose from 4 levels, with priority 1 being the highest. This helps us because it allows us to organize our tasks according to their importance. Next up, you can also assign tasks to projects or labels by clicking on the hashtag icon in the task's details. Labeling and assigning tasks to projects enables you to categorize your tasks and makes it easier to manage your workload. Now let me explain why this matters. Prioritizing tasks using the Today view helps you focus on what needs to be done right away. It prevents you from being overwhelmed by a long to-do list and helps you make the most of your time. Here's what's happening behind the scenes when you prioritize tasks in the Today view. Todoist uses advanced algorithms to display your tasks in the order of their priority levels. This means that your highest priority tasks will always be at the top of your list. In conclusion, by using Todoist's Today view and prioritizing your tasks, you can boost your productivity and manage your time more efficiently. Remember, the key is to consistently update and prioritize your tasks in the Today view. Thank you for joining us today, and remember, stay organized, stay productive.